Hello, this video was created by Olha Horbachuk, information designer and developer at BMC Software, and narrated by a computer-generated voice. This video shows you how to make better end-user experience in BMC Digital Workplace. As an administrator, you can combine multiple request processes into a single request experience. Let me show how a BMC Digital Workplace catalog administrator can create a bundle. First, you have to create individual services. To do so, you must log into BMC Digital Workplace Catalog as an administrator. Click Services. Select Services. Click Create New. Select Service. Insert a name of the service and select a template. Click Create Service. Specify the details in Catalog Profile. Click Save. Add a workflow. Click Save. Click Approve and Publish. Click Close. Let's create two other services. We have now created three services. Let's see how an end user requests these three services one by one, by submitting individual requests. The end user will see three individual requests in My Activity. For the purpose of this video, let us assume that as an administrator, you want to create a bundle of three services. To do so, select Services. Click Create New. Select Bundle. Enter a name of the bundle. Click Create Bundle. Select and add services you wanted to combine in the bundle. Click Use Selected. Select Required Item if you wanted to make this service compulsory to an end user. If not, you can select Pre-Select for Requester if you want a box with the service pre-checked. Click Save. Specify profile details. Click Save. Click Publish. I named our bundle Request Full Computer System and published it. Let's see how an end user requests a bundle with three services. The end user will see only one request in the Active Events section. So, BMC Digital Workplace makes end-user experience fast by enabling you to combine related services into one request. Thank you for watching this video about the efficiency of service requests processing in BMC Digital Workplace.